Let's be honest, applying for a tech job can feel a bit overwhelming, isn't it? But what if we looked at it more like a quest? Well, today, that's exactly what we are going to do. We are decoding an amazing backend engineer role at Cisco that could be the perfect launchpad for your career. So, let's break down the roadmap to this opportunity. Right from the start, Cisco is throwing down a challenge. This isn't just a job description, it's a call to adventure. They're looking for someone who's ready to kickstart their career and actually build the future. So yeah, let's treat this explainer as our official quest guide. Every good quest starts with the destination. So first, let's really map out what this opportunity is all about. What is this role at Cisco and why is it such an exciting adventure to begin with? Alright, here are the vital stats for our quest. You know, what immediately stands out to me is just how flexible this is. The experience level, 0 to 3 years. And that huge range of eligible batches, from 2018 all the way to 2024, it shows Cisco is casting a really wide net. And that salary range? It tells me they're open to everyone from promising newcomers to folks with a few solid years of experience. Now this is where it gets really interesting. This single sentence tells you so much. You're not going to be tucked away working on some small internal project. No, you'll be building the powerful, invisible engine that runs a major global SaaS platform for Cisco. We are talking about massive, real-time systems here. So the job description uses the term cloud native. And you gotta know, this is a really big deal. It basically means you will be working with the most modern way of building software, creating applications that were literally born in the cloud. They're built from the ground up to be scalable and tough, which, trust me, are incredibly valuable skills to have on your resume. Alright, every adventurer needs the right gear for the journey. So what does the technical toolkit for this specific quest look like? Let's unpack the essential skills you are going to need to bring to the table. This is perfect. It separates your essential gear from your, let's say, magic items. That left column, those are your must-haves. Core Java, databases, and those critical cloud tools like AWS and Kubernetes that you need to manage apps at a huge scale. Then, think of the skills on the right, like Kafka for data streaming, as powerful bonuses that'll make you stand up. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to make sure your resume absolutely screens proficiency in that left column. So, we've covered the what, now let's talk about the who. I mean, technical skills are one thing, but what kind of person is Cisco actually looking for to be the hero of this story? Okay, now, this is a big one. It's a point that causes a lot of confusion for applicants. The job post says 0 to 3 years of experience, right? But then somewhere else, it mentions a minimum of 2 years in product development. So what's the real story? Are freshers actually eligible or not? Here's our take on it. Cisco is valuing hands-on, practical experience way more than just a number of years on a payroll. And honestly, this is fantastic news for recent grads. If you have killer internships, really impressive university projects, or even personal side projects that show off your skills, well, that's your 2+ years right there. So please don't let that number discourage you. Beyond the code, this is the kind of character they're really searching for. Innovating fearlessly. What does that even mean? It doesn't mean you have all the answers. It means you are the kind of person who, when you hit a tough bug, you dive right in to solve it instead of just waiting for someone to tell you what to do. It means you are a collaborator, someone who doesn't just take tasks but actually brings new ideas to the team. Okay, you know the role, you've got the skills, and you fit the profile. So what's next? This final section is your treasure map. Up here, step-by-step guide to navigating the application process and getting it right. So the path forward is a pretty standard 8-step process. You find the link, create an account, fill in your details, you know the drill. But the most crucial part of this entire journey happens right before you finish, in steps 6 and 7. Making sure every single piece of information is accurate, and then doing one last super careful review. A tiny typo on a resume can totally derail you, so really take your time before you hit that final submit button. And hey, Just in case you need a reminder of why this opportunity is so cool, listen to how Cisco talks about itself. You are not just joining some company, you are joining a mission to power the future. This is your chance to work on technology that has a massive, global impact. And just like that, we are back where our quest began. The map is clear, the tools are in your hands, and the adventure is just waiting for you. The only question left is the one you see right now. If you are ready, the future is yours to build. Good luck.